Close your eyes and let your breath be your guide. With each inhale, embrace a gentle lightness. As you exhale slowly, release all your worries and tensions, letting them drift away like clouds in the sky.
Feel one with the air.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a practice that can calm your mind, soothe your soul, and give your life a new perspective. And that practice is meditation. Before we dive into the history of meditation, its benefits, and some fascinating scientific findings, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start by exploring the ancient roots of meditation. This practice is incredibly ancient, with roots tracing back nearly 5,000 years to the Vedic era. Back then, meditation was seen as a spiritual journey, a way to achieve enlightenment. Ancient texts like the Rig Veda and Upanishads mention dhyan or meditation as a practice for self-realization and understanding life's fundamental truths. Both Buddhism and Jainism significantly contributed to the development of meditation. Gautam Buddha promoted meditation as a key path to enlightenment, leading to the emergence of various forms like vipassana and samatha. These practices gradually spread to China, Japan, and other East Asian countries. In China, Taoism, and in Japan, Zen Buddhism gave rise to their unique meditation techniques, such as Zazen, which focuses on seated meditation and achieving simplicity and peace of mind. Throughout history, meditation evolved across different cultures and traditions, but its core purpose, finding inner peace and understanding oneself, remained constant.
Screw you, Corella. How the hell does she do this? She looks like friggin' Mother Teresa. Oh my God, kill me.
In the West, meditation gained popularity in the 19th century when figures like Swami Vivekanand introduced it to the world. In the 20th century, techniques like transcendental meditation and mindfulness meditation became popular for stress reduction, relaxation, and mental clarity.
Washing dishes can be an excellent form of meditation. The key is that while washing the dishes, one should only be washing the dishes.
Just because you have that accent doesn't mean what you say isn't stupid.
Scientists like John Kabat-Zinn brought mindfulness meditation into clinical practice, using it to treat conditions like depression and anxiety. The 1960s and 70s hippie movement, with spiritual leaders like Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, propelled meditation into the global spotlight. Today, meditation is a mainstream practice used for mental health, wellness, and spiritual growth, and is often seen as a valuable tool for managing stress. Recent studies have shown that regular meditation not only improves mental health, but also changes the structure of our brains. Brain scans reveal that meditative practices increase the density of gray matter, which is associated with learning and memory. When we focus on the present moment with mindfulness, our brain's stress center, the amygdala, starts to calm down. Mindfulness is a practice where we simply observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment. It trains our brain to view each thought like a spectator, without reacting.
Oh my God! Wow!
Meditation also reduces cortisol levels, a stress hormone, making us feel more relaxed and centered. Research has also shown that mindfulness improves cognitive functions like focus and concentration. Stanford University's Center for Compassion and Altruism Research and Education has conducted extensive studies on the benefits of mindfulness and compassion training, which have shown improvements in symptoms of PTSD or post-traumatic stress disorder. PTSD patients often experience flashbacks, nightmares, anxiety, and depression, and mindfulness can help alleviate these symptoms. According to research from the University of Wisconsin Center for Healthy Minds, long-term meditation practice has been shown to cause positive changes in the brain's attention and emotional regulation areas. Another interesting fact is that meditation helps maintain the length of our telomeres, which regulate the aging process of our cells. Numerous studies suggest that people who meditate long-term may be able to protect their brains from cognitive decline, such as memory loss and decreased decision-making capacity as they age. Guys, regular meditation leads to positive changes in the parts of our brain associated with attention, memory, and emotional regulation. These changes help keep our brains young and healthy even in old age, reducing the risk of diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. Many researchers and health practitioners believe that even a minute of focused breathing can significantly reduce anxiety and stress. So, whenever you feel stressed, take a minute to focus on your breath. The ultimate goal of this practice is simple: inner peace and self-understanding. And this has been its core purpose since ancient times. So guys, make a commitment today. For your mental and emotional well-being, take just 10 minutes out of your day.
Okay. Thank you.
It's not just a practice, it's a precious gift you're giving yourself. Meditation isn't just a spiritual practice, it's a way of life that connects you with self-awareness and inner peace.
I cannot but be aware of its power.
Even today, the importance of meditation remains, and it's used to reduce stress, clear the mind, and maintain emotional balance. If you enjoyed this information about meditation, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends to motivate us to bring you the best meditation techniques. Stay mindful, stay blessed. See you in the next video with a new and exciting topic.